Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best circular saw on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. WorkPro BTC02 Circular Saw. WorkPro BTC02 Circular Saw is the handy circular saw with lightweight and compact design, and it's ideal for cutting wood, cutting plastic and much more. The saw blade size is 5 inches, and it's made of high-quality stainless steel material, which makes it durable enough to use. This 45-degree angle guide helps you cut material like wood, plastic, drywall and a variety of other materials. With 705W high-power motor, it can cut as fast and smoothly without any difficulty. With laser guide, it's convenient and accurate for you to make the accurate cut. Besides, this circular saw is a great tool to cut plastic and wooden material. The power of 45-degree angle provides a greater cutting capacity, which is much more convenient to use. You can choose this compact circular saw for your DIY projects. Number 4. LOMVUM L02 Lira Circular Saw. LOMVUM L02 Lira is a handy circular saw for cutting wood, metal, and tile. The saw has a 45 degrees bevel for making cuts at various angles without changing the blade. The laser guide allows you to accurately mark your preferred line and make a straight cut. The safety switch stops the blade quickly and effectively. The working time is about 10 minutes after an 8-hour charging time. The saw is AC powered, and you can also use it with a car battery. The power indicator light will tell you when the battery is running low. Number 3. NEWONE 766V Circular Saw. NEWONE 766V Circular Saw with Laser Mini Saw is a high-quality power tool of 705W and is compact, lightweight and durable. It has a strong motor and a unique design that ensures a safe, accurate and smooth cut through wood, metal and ceramic materials. The circular saw is easy to use and has many features that are beneficial to the user. It has a built-in laser guide which is helpful in making cuts of equal length and a handy on-off switch that ensures safe handling. Number 2. Drillpro 165mm Circular Saw. Drillpro 165mm cordless circular saw tools are the affordable, portable and lightweight alternatives over traditional corded counterparts. These cordless saws offer the ability to cut through material when you are on the go. The cordless circular saw is a portable power tool used to cut various materials. This cordless saw is an effective tool to make quick cutting jobs. The saw blade can be adjusted as per the required angle of cutting. The variable adjustable angle allows you to set the saw blade at the most effective cutting angle according to the materials used. The cordless circular saw is powered by Makita 18V lithium-ion battery, which is one of the best batteries in the market. The cordless circular saw is lightweight, portable and one of the best cutting tools to make quick adjustments on the job. Number 1. WorkPro W125066A Circular Saw. The WorkPro W125066A Circular Saw is an all-in-one saw capable of handling both wood and metal. This handy saw has a 750W motor with an electronic adjustable blade allowing the blade to cut at 90 degrees with a depth of 1.5 centimeters and a cutting length of 3.2 centimeters. Whether you're building a bookshelf or bringing down a tree, this smart mini saw can do it all. A must-have for DIY enthusiasts, the circular saw has a precision TCT cutting blade for smooth, clean cuts on a variety of materials. Change blades in seconds with the quick release key, keeping your work as efficient as possible. With the included diamond blade, you can cut through metal and glass. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.